Understanding, calculate the risks, a guide to better decision-making. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's crucial in both personal and professional decision-making: calculate the risks. Understanding this concept can empower you to make better choices, so let's get started. To calculate the risks means to carefully consider the potential negative outcomes of an action before proceeding. It involves analyzing the likelihood of these outcomes and their possible impact. This phrase emphasizes the importance of being informed and prepared, rather than making decisions based on impulse or insufficient information. Calculating risks is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you to avoid unnecessary losses or harm. By understanding what might go wrong, you can take steps to mitigate those risks. Secondly, it encourages strategic thinking and planning, enhancing your ability to achieve your goals more effectively and efficiently. Lastly, it builds confidence in decision-making, as you know you've considered the possible challenges and are prepared to face them. 1. Identify potential risks. Start by listing all the things that could go wrong. Be as detailed as possible. 2. Assess the likelihood and impact. For each risk, estimate how likely it is to happen and what the potential consequences would be. 3. Develop mitigation strategies. Think about ways to reduce the likelihood of these risks or minimize their impact if they occur. 4. Make an informed decision. With all this information, decide if the action is worth taking or if adjustments need to be made. Calculating risks is applicable in many areas of life, from deciding to invest in stocks, choosing a career path, to even simpler daily decisions like whether to ride a bike or drive in bad weather. Understanding how to apply this process in various scenarios can significantly improve your decision-making skills and lead to more positive outcomes. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and importance of calculate the risks. We hope this video has shed light on how to approach decisions more thoughtfully and effectively. Remember, calculating risks doesn't mean avoiding every risk. It means being smart about the ones you take. Happy decision-making, and see you in our next video.